The simulation data looks promising. We have achieved full optimization on the flight path.
We have an anomaly on the primary flight data.
Rerouting the diagnostic sequence now. The prototype in the lab seems stable.
Global future, innovating the world of tomorrow.